Ah, yes, this is the brand new Cross Tour. It's a new, I get it. It's a Cross Tour, like a crossover. You're touring in a crossover. It looks like the mile per gallon is 1827.
Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by the Ford. I hope you guys are ready for us here at the Spokane Auto Show. This doors and check out all the cars. Make sure you check out all the Ford commercial trucks and SUVs. We got a lot of vehicles, so make sure you check it out. We have sales consultants and product specialists roaming the floor. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. I want to let you know about what we have going on here at the Ford Drive. If you're thinking about test driving the Ford, doesn't matter which one it is, please let us know. If you want to take $50 for this.
And this is...
That's why they partly went to this bigger front.
This is an Accord. Honda Accord. You've probably heard of it. Probably. At some point. A Honda Accord. Looks different from 92, huh? Yeah, the Accord is really, it's really large now, as you can tell. I mean, the storage of that is crazy. It's definitely larger car and more upscale. Which of course allows Kia and Hyundai to. Anyway, that's a whole nother.
It doesn't come out until summer, so we're really excited about that. And as you can see with the design, it's very unique and very cool. The front here, you're going to notice that it's got a new grill to this, and actually a front fascia.
Very nice mileage on the Civic.
Everything is wrapped in what we call a heavy steel, which just means it's the same thing that we put in the F-150. Not only